What up, people? Okay, I got my shipment in today of my spray foam from Amazon. Got it for a pretty decent price. I mean, they're all around the same, in between $850, $1,000, $1,500. So this is the part A, and see what all comes in this box. So I got some prices from spray foam companies, and the cheapest one I found was $2,500, up to $4,000 spray foam to bust. Out of my budget, you know, I'm trying to get this bust done. I couldn't afford it, so I'm doing it myself. So I bought the kit to do my own spray foam. So I got enough to do. I think it's with the ceiling, the floor is 500 some change square foot. So this kit will cover it. So this bottle has the nozzle, the hose, 15 foot of hose. Comes with the sprayer and extra nozzles. And came with a suit, which probably won't fit me. It's extra large, but I'm a little above average. So I might order a bigger one because, you know, I like to cover everything in it. So this is part B. And you hook up the two hoses to the two different tanks. It mixes together when it hits the nozzle, and you spray foam. Here's spray foam cleaner, came with it. So I think I'm pretty good. I'm gonna knock it out. I gotta do the wiring first. Put up the first strips and do all the wiring and everything that's coming in from outside, like the water inlet. Gotta put that in. So everything that I need to have in place before I cover it up with the foam, I'm gonna do that in the next couple weeks, and then I'm gonna spray foam it. So I'll get back to you on it. Peace.